Now, using these coordinates, -2, 1, and 3, 3, we have our x1, our y1, our x2, and our y2. And we could plug these in. So x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now remember these two negatives in the middle. 3 minus -2 become a positive. So CD equals the square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared. CD equals the square root of 25 plus 4. And CD equals the square root of 29. Now, remember, to find square root, we can use Google Calculator. Square root of 29 equals, let's round to the nearest hundredths. So that would be 5.39. Okay. Now, go ahead. Let me leave this here. Try example 3. I will come back in about 10 seconds. All right, so the first thing we need to do is look at our two coordinates. We have our x, which is -1, 2, and we have our point y, which is 3, -1. So we have two coordinates. We have -1, 2, and we have 3, -1. We go left to right, so x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so now, what is the length of xy? Well, we're going to use the distance formula. So we know that xy equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so we can simplify. 3 minus -1, the two negatives turn into a plus. -1 minus 2 is -3. Xy equals the square root of 16 plus 9. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. The length of xy equals the square root of 25. And this is going to simplify down to 5. Okay, so the main thing to remember right here, distance formula. Distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, make sure to keep sending me emails with any questions or